It's 23 degrees, 63 in the camper. That's perfect to have a little heated spot for these guys. It's tamale time. Look at that. Those are so good.
They're amazing.
I think we're in for the night. All right. We made it to camp. Be free. We're back at Antelope Island. I got the wife with me. If you haven't seen her before, her name is Holland. Isn't she adorable? If you've seen the channel before, you've probably seen us camp out here. It's really close to the house. Being that I can only do this on the weekends, makes it really easy. Also, if you've seen the channel before, you'll notice that is not a neon orange truck. We picked up this 2008 Toyota Sequoia. It's got the 5.7 V8 in it, had 200,000 miles. And yeah, this is the new camping rig. Tundra's for sale, by the way. Should be a pretty chilly night. There was just a massive snowstorm that rolled through here. All the mountains back there covered in snow. So I think first order of business is to get the firewood out and get a fire going. What? Oh, it's cold. Holland's first time using the ferro rod. This is a big deal.
Excited. You just want me to use all of this?
Yeah.
This is so much better than a propane fire.
It really is. We got quite the sunset going on behind us too. I thought it might snow tonight, but I think we're okay. It is a little chilly. I'm starting to get a lot of comments about checking the temperature all the time. I'm sorry. It's my autistic quirk and I will never stop. Speaking of which, temperature update. 30 degrees outside, so definitely colder than it looks. Doesn't feel too bad yet. I imagine once the sun goes down, it'll get really cold. We're gonna keep letting the fire burn down.
We're making tamales. For the first time, we're gonna try to make tamales.
Yes.
With really cold hands.
Yeah. And I'm pretty sure we bought the wrong meat. Hello, doggies. You guys chilling? Getting cold enough. It's time to put my bibs on. Don't mind the noise. There's a very large group of young men camping over there and they're having a good time. That's the trade-off for camping close to the house. It's close to a lot of other houses too. And people. But we're still gonna have a good time. Whether we want to or not.
Now we're twinning.
Bibs twins. It is 6:18 p.m. Sun is just about to go down. It's time to start our very inauthentic tamales. You need to soak the corn husks in hot water for a while, so I'm gonna get some boiling. Oh, it's frozen.
Already? Shoot.
That didn't take long. We've only been out here for like 40 minutes.
I mean, no matter how we make these, they can't be bad. Maybe. Well, I mean, like flavor-wise, the flavor can't be too bad.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, you're supposed to steam them. We didn't know. Our plan is to wrap them in tinfoil and throw them on the coals on the fire. So seems like that wind is starting to pick up substantially. Hopefully it dies down because that makes it way colder. It's getting so windy the stove is struggling, so I'm gonna have to break out the little wind guard. That should help. Oh, I wish that wind would go away. It's making it so cold. We got a decent amount of coals going. I'm just gonna split up a few more small pieces, throw them on. So you're gonna soak these in there for about 30 minutes. Smell like corn. Okay, so this is where the traditional part starts to fall off the wagon. While those are soaking, we are gonna go cook some carne asada over the fire. I believe typically you're supposed to use like slow roasted meats, like beef or chicken. We don't really know what we're doing here. Let's take this over to the fire, get it roasting. Whether we're ready or not, it's tamale time. We got this pre-made tamale mix. So from what I understand, there's a inside and an outside. I think you want to put it on the inside. Hello, it's me editing this video. Quick break to just say 75% of people who watch are not subscribed. If you could subscribe, I would greatly appreciate it. It would really help out the channel. I'll even put a QR code right here if you're watching on TV. And thank you for watching. Let's get back to the video. Put some of this masa mix down. That doesn't look very good. And then scoop some meat in it. Just like that. And then fold it over somehow. And you more or less have a tamale, and we're gonna do that a bunch now. We are going to wrap them in tin foil. Just like that. Oh, Instagram story real quick. If you're not already, follow me on Instagram for sneak peeks and updates on my stories. Tamales! Tamales! All right, let's go get them on the coals. Now we wait. I think they're mostly cooked, but just in case, and since we have them in tin foil, we are putting them in this pot, and we're gonna put a tiny bit of water in the bottom, put the lid on, and steam them just to finish cooking all the way. Splash. Seems like it's working. We might have actually made tamales. Sweet. I'm excited. Go team. Woo! We're gonna try one. Oh, wow, that's hot.
Oh, no.
Ta-da.
Oh, my goodness.
Well, I didn't wrap it all the way, but it appears to be cooked. Look at that. To go on top. It's made with chiles de árbol, and we've never had it before. We're going to put a little on there. All right. Spoon. Going in for a bite. Cheers. Yeah, that's pretty awesome. Those are incredible. Wow. Give me 100 more of those.
We got a whole pot full. Another.
We made tamales.
Camping.
Hot tamale. I mean, that looks like the movies. We did it.
An awesome idea.
We did it. It was your idea. All right, we're going to eat. We'll catch you a little later. Dinner was awesome. Absolutely delicious. It's really cold out here, though. It's 23 degrees. 63 in the camper, and that's perfect to have a little heated spot for these guys. Hi. You warm? You all warm and toasty. What about you, buddy? Good dogs. Oh. That's the best part about the Teardrop. It can be freezing cold, and you have a nice warm bed, not only for us later, but for the dogs to hang out.
These guys are very particular, because usually when we're not at home, we have to either mix something in with the food and make them a salad, or hand feed them. Looks like today it's hand feed.
Well, it's about 9 p.m. and it's freezing cold, so we're gonna climb in the trailer. I'm gonna ditch my big canvas layers, throw them in the Sequoia.
Oh, hi.
I think we're in for the night, and I'll see you when we're ready to go to bed. Well, it's late. We're gonna go to bed. See you in the morning.
Good night.
Where's the thermometer? Oh, there it is. Good morning. It's 19 degrees outside. Looks like the coldest it got was 16. Stayed nice and warm in here all night. Time to get up, make some breakfast. Gonna have to do the wind cover again. There you go. Breakfast nachos. Normally I would put egg on this, but we forgot it. So it's going to be about as good as it's going to get. You want to try some? Mm-hmm. Go ahead and grab one. Cheers. Mm-hmm. Those are freaking bomb.
That's amazing.
That was way good. Highly recommend.
I like these
And
chips.
yeah, they're good. Mm-hmm. To go with it, we got Nescafe Gold, as always. There we go. Cheers. Yay. One of the better breakfasts I think I've ever made on the channel.
I would agree.
It's going in the rotation. What a morning. People heading out to go mountain biking and horseback riding. It's a beautiful day. Well, that was a fantastic breakfast. I think we're gonna pack it up, hit the road, get home and edit this. Well, that's going to wrap up this week's video. It was a super fun little trip. Cooked a lot of good food, in my opinion.
Yeah, we did.
And I can't wait to do it again. And we'll see you guys then. Thanks for tuning in. Peace. This is a prime example of what not to do with wild bison. Okay, bye for real.